Are you tired of long lines, forgotten passwords, and those annoying late fees? I mean, imagine never having to stress about missing another natural gas payment. Well, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're breaking down absolutely every way, both the official routes and some clever alternative ones, to manage and pay your Nicor gas bill. In just the next few minutes, we'll walk through how to pay online efficiently and securely. We're going to turn what used to be a totally frustrating chore into a simple, seamless part of your routine. Okay, here's our quick roadmap for today. 1. Direct digital routes. 2. Fast no-login shortcuts. 3. Installments and third-party perks. And 4. Budgeting and alternative providers. Let's just dive right in. Look, we all know the friction, right? Peak hour portal slowdowns, the stress of trying to remember just one more login password, and, oh man, the sudden shock of a surprise winter bill. Honestly, it's enough to make managing your home's utilities feel like a part-time job. But here's the good news. It really doesn't have to be that way. There is just a massive variety of modern payment methods out there right now, which means you can literally pay your bill your way. Paying online saves you so much time. Plus, it makes managing your payments super easy. And you get to keep a pristine digital record without dealing with those messy stacks of paper statements. Section 1. Direct digital payment routes. So let's start with the options for those of you who want full control over your account history. Notice anything interesting here? Nearly all of these direct digital options carry absolutely no fee. None. Whether you use the My Account portal with a credit card, set up recurring autopay, or even call their automated line, you won't be hit with those annoying surprise convenience charges. This is a huge win for keeping your household budget tight. Now, if you want to use the official My Account portal to track your history or set up e-bills, you're going to need to register. It's pretty straightforward. Just have your account number, the primary account holder's name, your service address, and a valid email address handy. You'll want to set up a really strong password, too. Your email is actually super important here. It acts as your security anchor. The system uses it to send mandatory confirmations anytime your profile changes or a payment goes through. It's a fantastic security best practice to ensure you're always in the loop and your account stays safe. Speaking of the portal, autopay is totally free and incredibly convenient. But, and this is a crucial point, you can't just set it and forget it on day one. It can actually take 1 to 2 billing cycles for the automatic deduction to fully activate. So, you might still need to make a manual payment during that setup period just to avoid any late fees. Moving right along to Section 2, Fast No-Login Shortcuts. This really illustrates the difference between managing a full profile versus using a quick anonymous guest checkout. A registered portal keeps your data for future use and tracks your history, but unauthenticated pathways, they prioritize pure speed. They keep minimal data, which is perfect if you just want to pay the bill and get on with your day without remembering another password. For instance, Nicor's official Pay on the Go feature lets you bypass the computer entirely. You handle everything right from your smartphone. You literally just call 888-642-6748, request a personalized, secure link sent straight to your phone via text, and pay. It's fast, it's easy, and there is zero signing required. There's also a third-party service called Guidey. Now, this isn't an official Nicor channel, but it offers an unbelievably fast phone alternative. If you call 1-929-274-7588, they connect you to a live specialist in under 30 seconds. You just give them your account number, skipping the online portal entirely, and they post your payment on the exact same business day. Next up, Section 3, Installments and Third-Party Perks. So we're looking at third-party services that offer some unique financial flexibility. Take a service like Defer It, for example. It simplifies things into a really easy buy now, pay later model for your utility bills. You just sign up, snap a picture of your Nicor gas bill, and Defer It pays the utility provider in full immediately. Then you just pay Defer It back in 4 smaller installments, once every 2 weeks. What's really fascinating about this is that Defer It also offers 2% cashback on every bill you pay through them. You can redeem that off your next payment. But hold on, keep in mind they do charge a monthly membership fee and a 99-cent processing fee per bill, so you'll definitely want to weigh those costs against the cashback and the convenience. It's always a smart move to compare these third-party perks against the official deferred payment arrangements that Nicor Gas might already offer you directly. You see, Nicor's own arrangements depend on your specific account status and usually require a down payment. Defer It, on the other hand, works for most U.S. household bills regardless of your utility account status, as long as you pay their membership fee, of course. All right, Section 4, Budgeting and Alternative Providers. Let's talk about managing unpredictable bills. Enrolling in Nicor's budget plan is a fantastic way to prevent those massive, totally unpredictable winter spikes that can just derail your finances. It spreads your natural gas costs evenly over 12 months, so you pay roughly the same amount every single time. It's honestly one of the best tips for budgeting utility expenses, and you can easily set it up right inside the My Account portal. Now, what if your main source of income reliably arrives after your monthly due date? Well, Nicor offers a preferred payment date program. They can actually extend your deadline past the 10th of the month to help you dodge late charges. To be eligible, you just need to be a residential customer receiving benefits from specific programs, things like TANF, Social Security, VA benefits, or unemployment compensation. And look, if you do fall behind, seriously, don't panic. Nicor's official deferred payment arrangement brings your bill up to date so you can keep your home fueled without any interruption. It does require down payment, sure, but it completely prevents service disconnection and gets you back on track to eventually join the standard budget plan. And if you're ever having technical issues, their customer support team is always there to help troubleshoot. Here is a super crucial detail if you use an alternative energy supplier, like Illinois Energy. Always check who is actually billing you. If your energy plan amount is billed directly on an Illinois Energy bill, you have to send your payment to their specific P.O. box in Lansing, Michigan, not the standard Nicor Gas address in Carroll Stream, Illinois. So always double-check the logo and instructions on your specific statement. Don't let that trip you up. Finally, Section 5, Getting Help and Wrap Up. As we wrap up this explainer, just remember that the infrastructure is absolutely built to support you. Whether you want that meticulous control in a registered portal, a super fast text-to-pay shortcut, or you need to set up a medical certificate to protect your service, they've got you covered. If you ever run into a technical issue with your online login or you need hardship assistance, you can always reach their customer care team at 888-NICOR for you. We have covered a ton of ground today, haven't we? From the totally free My Account portal and autopay to those quick mobile text payments, all the way to third-party buy now, pay later tools. I highly encourage you to review these online methods today. See just how much time and stress you can save yourself this month. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. As always, please remember this info is for general guidance, so be sure to verify all rates, fees, and eligibility directly with Nicor Gas. The digital landscape just offers so much more freedom than ever before. So I'll leave you with this final thought. With all these incredibly easy tools at your fingertips, what's stopping you from completely automating your finances and never worrying about a missed payment again? Let us know your favorite method down below. Stay warm out there, and I'll catch you next time.